Alright, this is another integration video, and this is off the second integration sheet that we had, and this was homework problem number 10, and we're still doing all these by just doing a regular integration is what it's asking for. And this one, get to a pin, is wanting us to integrate v times v squared plus 2 squared with respect to dv. And so for this one, we're going to want to do a u substitution. So let's let u be equal to v squared plus 2. And then whenever you take the derivative of that, you're going to get du dv being equal to 2v. So du is going to be equal to 2v times dv, and so our dv is going to be equal to 1 over 2v du. Alright, so now we just come over here and make our substitutions. So we're still going to have our v times u squared, and our dv we just found right here, so we're going to plug that in. So we're going to have 1 over 2v du, and so now you can see that that v and that v is going to cancel, and it's going to leave us with a 1/2 constant. So we can rewrite that and pull our 1/2 out of the integrand. And so our v, became 1 since it canceled. So we're going to have 1/2 times the integral of u squared du. And I'll go ahead and take that over to another slide. Okay, so this should be where we're sitting at. So now whenever we get ready to take the antiderivative, we're going to have our constant, which was 1/2, and that is going to be over our n, which in this case is 2 plus 1. That's going to be u to our n, which is 2 plus 1. And since we've just taken the derivative, or the antiderivative, our du will go away. And we're going to have plus a constant right out here. And so then that is going to be 1 over 2 all over 3 times u to the third plus a constant. And if you remember before talking about fractions, we're going to keep the top fraction, which is 1/2. We're going to change the sign right here, which is saying divide it. So we're going to change that to multiplication. And then 3 is the same thing as 3 over 1. So we're going to flip that bottom fraction, which was 3. So we're going to have 1 over 2 all over 3 is going to be 1 over 2 times 1/3. And we still have our u to the third plus our constant. And so that should be 1 over 6 u to the third plus a constant. And if you remember, we just said that u was equal to v squared plus 2. So just take all of this right up here where we have a little bit more room and plug our v back in. So we're going to have 1 over 6 our u, which is v squared plus 2, and that is going to be cubed and plus a constant. And so this is our answer right there. So we should have another video up shortly.